Kia sibali nangoma stand. Ngathola ipromotion eGoli. Ngachazwa ivoice kaNana wase FNB Credit Division. Ngathi nginike yonke loan ekhona eGoli man. Ngisupervisor. Ngafihla indlala kaMama ngebonda negate lefashion yaseGoli. Ngimthasha Nsendu magogo engasasebenzi ngawuxasha emitrend ngafita eGoli. Okwawena slim fit sebhokati negiza amaremre mele ngebhandeni lensimbi. Ngiswapha amabhodlela kuze kustack umshini esingisaseGoli. Ngisazi ngevoice kaShana Sibhiley. Ethi when you gonna settle this account Mr Nkosi? Mbulazi wasemadlovini. Angifuni nokwazi nokuthi akupha ama terms and conditions. Angifune sleep, ngizonda ichange. Yeah, li nice, ngicela ama size. Angifune price wenza. Da gift isikolodo. Nginyathela ama wooden floor wasemitrend, ngesokisi nevodka nemofire ngithi ngisupport uTaki ngihlula iDStv yesalkazi. Da gift nge320 diesel elinamasitha yelo amesha newash lam lefosi lelimnyama elimesha negolide lika egg nentanyeni elimesha nececile medium yeyelo le frosta nomandela ukudlula inkomo ilokho imjojo fine lemezete ephepha ngediamond ring installment engapheli yonke into nice mayilokho iziphakela ama breakfast waseTashas ngamaziphaturayo iswipe ngeprivate credit card ezosala nge3 rand ngiyekudala naleli nescratch lase Capitec lelona ezophelela emagojini waseSummit neAndroid ezocrack iscreen and SMS yaseMPT debt collectors engafuni ukuyifunda ne-email yaseSARS engasabonakala igrand ne-miss call e-07 ezolokhu ifibhethi le-Android iflick profile picture yami ngisatanasa ngena ngestada uBMW lamasitha yelo usheriff waseGoli azothola ngepetrol ekureserve likhanyise nelight leservice ne-e-check ezokoloda umlungu namhlanje ngisigwili kusasa ngizothola incwadi ethi we regret to inform you that due to economy yaseGoli mantende uzophuma hospital plan baba Nkosi next month uwe noma stand next month uyabuya lo sheriff uzo-auctiona kwakati ngangithi stress into yabelungu singiphakela ibhasi isikolodo kulokho singiveza impandle ejulukile ngemncane Yivaru ukuthi umnotho weplazana uncibile kuba amanzi. Akusiyakini imali yaseGoli uyihloniphe. 10 years eGoli ngisebenzela ukuba uta gift. Dam give up. Dlanga amandla esikolodo. Ngamandla esikolo
ngifuna amashonisa ngifuna amaphoyisa ngifuna ugogo kaMandisa lo wesangoma mina uthokbe ngiyamdlisa udala zanga liphuzelela tiyu uyawalchitha uthoka kasangifuni ngithatha iTV ngabambisa seshota amalobolo umalumakhe siyizitha ngishade nesikolodo nobabakhe ngiyamnyanyisa uyangizonda umama ezala intombi endala ngiyayikwatisa ngiyengathuma uthoko cela umama sinike inyama baby soyibuyisa yaza ngifunwa namakhulu Abdul unginike isinkwa kolodi series la nenkawuza ngayofika ngatshela uSneyman ngiyabuya ngisayophatanisa mboleke kusifiso ngamphathala ngekajiva ngizombona unkululeko meke nginika unkululeko mashonisa ufuna ukungibholisa ngibolekeni iClipper ngizonika meke nginika
Mamela ntatwaka mamela ukopana le rete le nywana nna ke nywana ukwa ha ke nywana ukwa o ska nketsa sebono o ska nka tšhelete ya ka o bo ipata mo nna eno nana ra nkebe ka o thola o ntlwaela masepa ukwa mamela gobane go sa phone wena o tshwere ke sebono ke re na o tshwere ke sebono ke tla se lokisa nna o ntsebe hantle ba ska ntena ma Kiri ki mona nine o ka itswela ka ntle ke buelwe la ka pelenyana ska botlhoko se bokuile mane ska nketsa se bono mane nketsa ngwana le tsopa mane nketsa ntwe sa tlalang mane pepi ya se bono pepi ke batla ke tla ithola ne Ntate waka Nse mosadi wa ke tlo robala le ena nthe lo fitela mosebetsing jalo ntho tsa se bono ka mme wa ka tunka mo ke mo jwetse hore o nketsa le rete askisi wa se bono ke batla tšhelete ya ka ke tlo o kota marete ba futsete ba
iziphi namaphela sibangicheese nekundwana vuka kuqala kuneqhude sibuye sekumkhulungwane sesikhonkotha nezinja ihlevi iphethe inkulungwane ngiyinkunzi la ekhaya awungitshela udume ngani ngeke azithenga amabhiya ngeke azisheba amagwinya ngeke izigcwalise ifriji sizibhadali abomavuka sebegijima magezele ndishi toothbrush sale kitchen machamele engadini mathandaza estradini madla ibreakfast egalweni mafika kuqala edrobheni bahamba lapho ntwayisini dala wathi niye ngena lapha emherezweni siphanda nasemvuleni koko abakuvulele ekuphindeni khepha umnyango ubeke eceleni azufuni umsebenzi zithi imali isestradeni stoka la thengisele yeka le thatha le ungami la mela le uslow la kubhizi le
bazolala la kusestradeni
climate mengivuke kuseni ngithengisa ama-cool time on sunny days ngithengisa ama-umbrella on rainy days ngithengisa ama-peanuts eskimele ngithengisa ama-direction erenkeni lethani le mithwalo ngimbukele ngithengisa ifriji eflethile thanda ngikhuphule anginamali yokustoko sanda ngimpakise skudla phezu kwe-pavement bhampa njenge-tennis hlezi sikufasle ositrafik epokotweni ilwane ziyalena nephithizele ephaketheni idlithenda lapha emeni ngiwashiva iklasi estradeni adubulele MTN amaqwele eBramfontein kwayize maboneni update iGPK amayimaye enyameni lavaza ababheke besimola mkhuthuzeni sithaze sipansune ufusane ekhamereni imose esikhaneni khalithufinge backstage
ngazolala la kusestradeni
They talk a lot of shit about a nigga. Babu's with the why mkhuluma masay. Ngeke bakhayele boy. Azibhiva abanye abantu. Baqala ama romance. Bakhulume kabi. Oh because ikhontonyana ehlanganisana. Yabo udaba bekumnandi kubo isiblome ekhoneni ngahlanganelwa ne.
They want me back at the corner. They say they miss me at the corner. Not going back to the corner. You can miss me bending lawyer. They want me back at the corner. Who's everything's over soga. They used to love me at the corner. They love me so much, bang accuse I'm a composer. They want me at the corner so that maybe last again the corner bazumkomba. They miss me so much at the corner. I need bebe kezile imi bengangoma. Back at the corner, angekho beke koma ngeke ngijole nawe ucabanga ngijole zola. Back at the corner, saba nokudlula lapha ngicela namakoda. That was the corner, skefi causa skefi pia lenje ubambi punch yazutumelo ngiyamzonda. Asipheli kulela corner, ngisukelwa ikebe batrekela umkhedlo wami ngisola zonke lezi zinje zigcwele kulela corner. They want me back at the corner. They say they miss me at the corner. Not going back to the corner. You can miss me bending lawyer. They want me back at the corner. They say they miss me at the corner. Not going back to the corner. You can miss me bending lawyer.
Kulela khona besincika kulela bonda ne baby mama yami ngayi approacha kulela khona besibshayela khona safunda ukubhema khona amakwali namaguri sewabhaya kulela khona seniyasibora kulela khona nekusubuyela khona bayaspike bayahleba baneyithele kulela khona inhliziyo bayazigoba mawu-achieve bayakuloya kulolisize bayakenya ndlani ithende kulela khona sengincika namaphanda izinto ezingalifateli khona ziyangidonsa makunesikhala zithi asambe siyobabona. You can miss me kulela khona cabanga ngilwela ispoja denga nje sengilele mina umzimba unami ugcwele isipofa besibroke kulela khona ngishintsha ukwenza sengizonibona bheki age gap yamajensi abloma kulela khona akuna growth kulela khona wageza bathi yasibona. You can miss me izinja zami fuck kulela khona.
They want me back at the corner. They say they miss me at the corner. Not going back to the corner. You can miss me bending loyal. They want me back at the corner. They say they miss me at the corner. Not going back to the corner. You can miss me bending loyal.
Like greedy men, who advocate into ukuthi abafana baphile. Yeah, thank you Tumza. Yeah, mina ngintanya vuma uthama. Yeah, keep it up, my soldier. Keep it up, Tumza. Yeah, keep it up with the good work out here. Yeah, I'm now out here. As ubeki statement uthi next year ufuna ukubona omunye. Yeah, ungabe uboy uleding congratulatory. Yeah, mara we soldier. Yeah, these are leaders that we want in South Africa, that they are advocating in Tehamba. Yeah, not something that you are just putting for your friends, for your abagini penal. You are just let that into an easy right. Thank you, Maru Baby Spirit.